Hey guys, how are you? I hope all of you are fine. And for this video, we are going to talk about what are the 5 ways in which you can control the amount of light in your pictures. So the first one and the most obvious one is going to be the aperture. So I'm going to tell you in the most simplest way I can. Aperture is just a hole in the lens through which the light enters your light sensor. Now, if you increase the size of the hole, or you can say that if you increase the size of the lens opening, you can let in more light, and if you restrict the light, you close down the aperture, you can reduce the amount of light reaching your sensor. So how you can control the light is really simple. So if you take a picture and the picture is overexposed, you know that the light reaching your sensor is too much, you have to reduce that. So simply restrict the amount of opening, restrict the size of the hole in the lens, and your picture will be perfectly exposed. Also, if the picture is underexposed, you know that the light amount of light reaching the sensor is not sufficient, so you have to let in more light. So you have to increase the diameter of the opening of the lens, or you can say hole in the lens, so you can let in more light and your picture will be fine, your picture will be perfectly exposed then. Now the way you measure the aperture is a bit tricky. So if I say that if the lens aperture is f1.8, that means the opening of the lens is really huge, you are letting more amount of light. So if I say that if the lens aperture is f4 or f5 or f8 or f16 or f22, that means that the opening of the lens is really small, you are really restricting the amount of light reaching the sensor. So as you can see, this is the largest opening of the lens right now, and this is the smallest aperture it can go. So that was the first way in which you can control the amount of light using the aperture, or f number you can say. Now the second way in which you can control the amount of light in your pictures is through shutter speed. Okay, so the third way of controlling the light in your pictures is through the ISO. The ISO means that how sensitive your light sensor is. The greater the number is, the more sensitive your light sensor will be. So if you take a picture and the picture is underexposed, you can increase the ISO from 100 to 200 or 100 to 125 or 100 to 160, depending on how much your picture is underexposed. You can increase the amount of light. So the fourth way in which you can control the light while using an off-camera flash is through changing the power of the flash you are using. So if your picture is underexposed, so you can increase the amount of power from the speed light, so you can control the amount of light that way. If the picture is overexposed, you can reduce the amount of light from a flash, or if the picture is overexposed, you can reduce the amount of light, or if the picture is underexposed, you can increase the amount of light. So you can control the light in your pictures that way. Okay, the final way, or the final way in which you can control the amount of light in your pictures is through the distance of the light modifier. So let's just say that your light is placed 1 meter from your subject and the light is weak. So what you can do is that you can move the light closer to the subject, and this way you can increase the amount of light in your picture. The opposite is also true. If the picture is overexposed, you can move the lights away from the subject, and your subject, the light on the subject face will be fine.